Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying what you know, the file name, folder, or when you last edited it. Open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on a Mac. This is where you'll run the search. Once done, make sure file extensions are visible and hidden files are shown so Excel files like XLSX or XLSM appear. Use the address bar to point to a specific drive or folder. This narrows results and speeds up the process, saving time versus searching the entire computer. Now refine the search with filters so you find the right file fast. In the search box, type asterisk, XLSX or asterisk, XLS to show only spreadsheet files. This prevents unrelated documents from showing up. Then add date or modified, followed by arrange to limit results to when you last worked on it. If you remember words in the file, use quotes for exact phrases and combine terms with and or. These steps reduce noise and make the correct file stand out quickly. Open the found file and verify it's the right version by checking content and last modified date. If you can't find it locally, make sure to search cloud storage like OneDrive, shared drives, or email attachments. Sometimes the file was moved or synced. If the file isn't saved or was closed unexpectedly, use Excel's Recover Unsaved Workbooks or check temporary files. If nothing appears, restore from a backup. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm search index settings so recent files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.